I love rap music, that's what I do. Vinny Lokes, baby, yeah, I'm a fool. I love what I do when I love who I am. Music is my life, I'm gonna do this to the end. I see a lot of jealousy, whack foes and fake friends, so I gotta keep it real about my Skrilla. In the 559, somebody trying to kill us, smoking on the killer, and we all drug dealers, rap spillers on the illest. Guarantee you gonna feel this. I drop hot shit, make your bitch call brain. All game, dope raps is pumping through my veins. It's a shame these fake G's wanna salt up my name. It's a grimy ass season. Yep, it's a grimy ass season. There's people out there lurking while I'm out there perking. We're really out there hurting, acting free behind the curves. That's for sure. We out here working, purping and we swerving. That's for sure. We out here working, purping and we swerving. I love gas music, that's what I do. I love hip hop, man, I gotta keep it true. I love rap music, that's what I do. Vinny Lokes, baby, yeah, I'm a fool. I love gas music, that's what I do. I love hip hop, man, I gotta keep it true. I love rap music, that's what I do. Vinny Lokes, baby, yeah, I'm a fool. I'm a fool, baby. When it comes to this rap shit, yeah, I'm always on my Mac tip. Big tips, thick lips, and some assets. Fresh kicks, new fits, and my gas kicks. That's why we're always rapping, cause we're always macking. Yeah, gassing and smashing through the city of the know. My hitters and my spitters, and we all got flow. So we get it how we live in the nickel nine. Catch me on the front line when it's crunch time, 100% giggity vet. Yo, I gotta represent my crew with respect. In order to be the dopest, you gotta stay focused, leaving MCs hopeless. Yeah, bitch, I wrote this, and no, did you notice I go hard in the paint? Cause I do what you can't, make music the same thing. So, boy, what you think?